Alright, we're working on the John Deere 800. And we couldn't get that gear, so we bought the one that we could find that was closest. And I believe this is a 20 chain or a 1020. So you just get it the right diameter on the outside, and then for the correct chain. So you just got to know what your chain is and the diameter of your gear, and then you'll be able to get one. We did have to cut out the middle hole. There was a hole there, but it was too small. Ended up using the torch. Not high tech, but it works. I drilled out the holes first and then bolted the old gear to the new gear in an attempt to get, the center spacing as correct as possible. Alright, that's how I did that. And then, just this unbolted, that came off, and then there was a bolt here, and I believe you can see that probably now. Right there, there's also one. So that's how we did that. We'll be needing the swather. We're gonna swath the wheat, cut it and lay it down, and then put the pickup header on the combine and pick it up. That's how we're going to do that. That'll be in about 3 weeks. So I'm just doing all the preparatory stuff that I can right now. It also sounds like I have grain to haul out of the bin, so that we'll be able to put the wheat in the bin once it's been harvested. And this is with John Riddy. Have a nice day.